Whoa. It's gonna hit me in the head because I'm not watching.
Hey, that commotion outside. What is that?
I know. They won't even see it. It's small.
Yeah, exactly. Go slowly.
It's a bird.
That is what you call it.
Oh, great. Hey, it's flying.
That's a glider.
Yeah.
No.
It's called the dead stick landing.
Okay.
Coming around the back.
Because he's aiming it. Woo!
I'm glad he hit the box.